Some rain and a little bit of thunder in Rochester.
Yes, some showers, some thunder. Some have had it, some have had nothing. A lot of the area has just been dealing with warm sunshine. Here's time-lapse evidence of this. We've had sun at times, and then watch closely. The sky gets really dark for about one frame. That's that storm passing through the area right before 9 o'clock, and then it's back to sunshine by the last couple of images in that time lapse. And now we're looking at Austin. Here's a live look outside with our Lewis Tadauto live camera. Some sun, some filtered cloud cover right now. Pretty dry in Austin. We have a couple of showers moving through, and you see one moving through in the last couple of hours. Still some spotty showers around Olmsted County. Severe weather going on in now La Crosse County. Buffalo, rather Trumbull County, had been in a warning. They had noted now, the National Weather Service, 2-inch diameter hail in that storm just about 20 minutes ago. That's pretty sizable. They call it lime-size hail. So there you go. It's moving southeastward through La Crosse County right now. Behind that, things are beginning to settle down a little bit. I do think we'll get a break. A lot of rain, though, in Winona, almost an inch, 84 hundredths of an inch. Preston, 1/10 of an inch. Decorah, 15 hundredths of an inch. Rochester, trace so far, not even measurable. Hopefully that changes. We need some rain, but we do have more chances this evening and tomorrow. 82 right now on the weather patio just outside the studio. It feels like 83. Dew points in the mid-60s. Where it's been raining, it's a whole lot cooler, 70s. That's the rule right now. 77 in Rochester, 70 in Winona, 74 La Crosse, but 82 in Austin, Mason City, 85 right now. They've been dry and a lot sunnier. Right now in Rochester, officially at the airport, 77. Feels like 79. The dew point approaching 70, and I think it'll get there. The winds at least stirring things up, 17 miles per hour. Isolated storms today. They'll redevelop certainly by evening, and then we'll have another round of storms perhaps early tomorrow and again late in the day. So an unsettled pattern here for a bit longer as the storm system that's generating all this activity slowly moves through the next day and a half or so. And then after that, it'll be quieter and cooler. Here's that severe thunderstorm warning until 12:45 for La Crosse County on the Wisconsin side of the river. Things quiet otherwise. There's a front that's triggering more activity. More will fire along that front, and then we'll have severe weather risk coming up later today. Again, slight risk of severe weather. That's level 2 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center's daily outlook. So large hail, that's the biggest threat right now, as we've been seeing so far today. Damaging wind gusts are still also possible, and some downpours of rain. Tomorrow, higher risk of severe weather across Wisconsin, especially speaking, but we'll also be on the periphery of that slight risk of severe weather as more will develop to the north and rumble through it. But again, mostly focused to our east, but we'll keep an eye on our severe weather risk tomorrow afternoon and evening again. So isolated storm for a couple of hours, then more widespread activity, perhaps firing up for a time between mainly about 8 and about 11 or 12 o'clock tonight. So day planner, some sun at times, some thunderstorms scattered about the map this evening. High temperatures around 87, a couple spots in the low 90s. Those who have missed the rain so far will certainly get in the 90s today, and just about everybody will see a shot at 90s again tomorrow. And a warm, humid night with lows in the 70s. Heat index levels tomorrow, watch these, upper 90s to around 100, with daytime temperatures topping out around 90, some spots even warmer than that tomorrow. But here's Future Track looking at some of those isolated storms moving through. Here's that activity in the evening hours pushing southward right through about the midnight hour. Then maybe a stray shower or two tomorrow morning until about 10 o'clock. And then a break, some hot sunshine, more thunderstorms then erupt around 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. Severe weather risk again, and we're looking at slight risk anyway here. And then high pressure comes in on Thursday, less humidity in the air, a little cooler, and then certainly that will be the trend for the weekend, with temperatures running much closer to the seasonal average starting Thursday and Friday, lasting into the weekend after a couple of hot days today and tomorrow. 87 today. It'll feel like the 90s, though, with southwest winds around 10 miles per hour. A stray thunderstorm or two for the next hour or so. And then tonight, isolated storms mainly in the evening, 70 overnight. And then tomorrow, thunderstorms especially, may have 1 or 2 early in the morning, and then more widespread storms after evening commute, 6 or 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. Southwest winds up to 20 miles per hour. 7-day forecast. If you miss today's rain and tomorrow's, you may wait a long time. Another dry spell of weather, a lot of sun, and a more seasonable warmth ahead of us.
Yeah, it's gonna get pretty hot here for a little bit.
Definitely toasty now, and could do some rain though.
We sure could. Well,